record it.
Role playing. Oh.
Is he snoring?
Yes.
I haven't heard it yet.
오늘은 뭐 때문에 영상을 켰냐? 친구들을 집으로 초대했습니다. 왜냐면 한국 음식이 너무 먹어보고 싶대요. 근데 밖에 나가서 먹으면 일단 비싸기도 비싸고, 그리고 사실상 제가 요리를 좀 합니다. 예, 제가 지금 자취 경력 11년 요리를 좀 하기 때문에 애들한테 직접 만들어주면 더 의미도 있지 않을까 싶어서 오늘 요리를 해주려고 하고요. 근데 이제 요리도 요리지만 그 전에 지금 운동 갔다 오는 길인데 애들이 벌써 도착을 해 있다고 하네요. 평소에는 오라고 하면 아무도 제때 안 오다가 꼭 이럴 때만 시간 맞춰서 온다니까. 뭐 해준다고 그러면 헐레벌떡 뛰어오고 말이야. 쌍놈의 새끼들이 뭘 피고 있어. 남의 집 앞에서. Okay, I'm gonna make a tteokbokki. You know what is this?
Okay. I tried it.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, and then what's wrong with your clothes? Turn around. Whoa! Look at that. She met a tiger before here.
She met a
Tiger.
Oh no.
There's no tiger in Korea.
Yes, definitely.
It's too loud. It's too loud.
No.
I can hear you guys.
No.
감사합니다.
That shows some turn.
떡볶이를 물에 불립니다. 또 오뎅을 씻을 거고 양념을 먼저 만들어야 되겠죠? 요요요요요. It tastes like shit. Perfect. Oh shit! Guys are like 3 foods, okay?
What are you making right now? Sweet
떡볶이.
You didn't even clean it! You just picked it off the floor!
Yo.
Oh my
You know what?
gosh! Yo!
I wipe.
Yo!
I clean my house like 4 times before.
Yeah, you didn't clean that one before.
For real, for real.
No, don't worry, bro.
Yeah, no, guys, look at
I
this.
literally made fun of
I
you.
hope it comes
Look
through
at
camera.
감사합니다. Say it, say it, say it.
감사합니다.
Say it, dude.
감사합니다.
아리가또.
Oh shit, you get the fuck out of here.
감사합니다.
Okay, so just share
It's too
it.
hot.
Okay.
One.
I need a
Okay.
Oh, there's no bowl, right? Just
So what is this, fish cake?
3. What? Yeah, it's a fish cake. So yeah, guys, just try it. Try,
Which one we
try.
tried first?
The rice cake, rice cake. Actually,
Oh.
we usually eating like rice cake with a fish cake. So eat it together.
This is
It's
number one.
it's the most popular food in Korea.
You are the best Korean.
I know.
Shout out all my Koreans.
Yeah.
But like, who's number
I'm
one?
number 1. Kim Jong Un number 2. So rated 1 to 10. Nick, you first. You first.
Ew, don't keep chewing and answer.
That's all.
Yeah, because Korea is the 10th country ever existed.
1 to 10.
I gave you the answer.
100 out of 10, bro. It's amazing.
Oh, okay.
I will be honest.
Be honest.
Kimchi House on near Christie
no,
makes really good.
Tteokbokki?
Yeah, but it's not like this style. It's like red
Oh, okay.
sauce. It's
Okay.
really good. So that's my top still.
So compared to Kimchi House.
So that's my top I've ever had.
Okay.
So this is close second, and I
Oh,
will give
shit.
it
Okay.
8.5.
But still good. Okay.
So
What's
good.
it?
Maybe 9. Maybe 9.
Maybe 9? Okay. Got it.
We have water. It's spicy.
We went to
Are you kidding me?
I feel really spicy.
Oh yeah, I have water. What's it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then we do
Honey,
the Korean
how is it?
food.
I will give you
I seems like
11.
11. Yeah, it seems like you like it, right?
I love it. I always love Korean food. What do you mean?
Yeah. That's what's up.
Korean music, Korean fashion, Korean girls, Korean boys, Korean food.
But don't like me, okay?
9.
9. That's what's up, bro. But you still need water, huh? Make it
She said I can eat her food.
Yeah. No.
She said eat without me, so I eat for her.
No, it's for that Betty.
No.
You love it? It's fire, huh?
I'm moving to Korea.
That's for Betty.
You said eat without me.
Chicken with it?
No, it's a fish cake and a rice cake. It's a tteokbokki.
She's the one who, yeah, it was her.
Very
How
good.
is it? It's good?
Oh, spicy.
Yeah, but it's spicy. But it's good though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Nick, you can have some because I have some.
Oh, you
Oh,
don't
really?
want it?
Wow. Actually, he obsession with this. He obsession with this already.
You do?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
You made your own?
No, I bought it. Bought it from the mart. H Mart. Yeah. It's so good, right?
I want to try it.
Yeah, you want to try kimchi? Actually, it's not spicy. It's so good.
Kimchi is the best.
It's not. I didn't get enough. I need more.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now I can. Whoa,
Oh yeah, it's a big one.
it's a big one.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm just gonna eat it all. Do you have?
Korea number 0, best country.
Well, live it
Going
up.
Yo,
It's so fast, huh?
fuck Egypt. Yo, fuck America. Fuck Brazil. Korea number 1. Number 0.
Oh, yo, bro.
Shout out
Why you make a 30?
Huh?
Why you make a 30 with your fingers? Yeah, 3 and you shit. You
I'm the
fucking liar.
shit. That's what's up, guys.
Yes. Let's go kimchi.
Wow. Chef Poon.
But you guys have to be careful.
Okay.
It's exploded.
It's exploding, yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of kimchi.
And I'm gonna put in here the rice.
Oh, I
And it's
see.
gonna be the fried rice with a kimchi.
What do you normally eat on a day-to-day?
Spatula pizza.
We live off spatio everything.
Connie, come on. Doesn't it look so good?
Yeah, I want to
Just smell it. The kimchi. With
extra kimchi.
yeah, with a pork belly.
Not enough. I want more kimchi.
Pork belly. No, it's enough.
More kimchi.
Try first and let me know if you need it more, okay?
I always need it more.
Hey, you guys want a cheese? Okay.
What is that?
No cheese. No cheese? No cheese. But it's good. But it's also good. Trust me, okay? This looks so good. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I'm done. Look at this. It's fucking good. Let's try it. Masterpiece. You ready already?
10 out of
that's okay.
10.
10 out of 10. Okay.
That's
You
good.
like it? Okay, right there.
With the cheese?
Yeah, with the
Bang.
cheese, it's so good. God damn, huh? Wait till how is it? Is it still spicy?
No,
I think it's not spicy.
it's not. Man, this is pretty good.
No.
10.
cry
10 of
10.
10.
Anji?
9.5.
9.5. Never 10, okay.
12.
12. That's what's up.
100. So
100.
good.
Are you guys ready for this? Are you sure? Uri,
I used to do synchronized
show me
swimming.
a Japanese cat with your legs.
Fucking hell! How did you do it? I'll make that.
Right left. Goes out.
그 사이에 완성돼가고 있는 불닭볶음면. 너넨 뒤졌다 이제.
Yep, right into left.
너넨 뒤졌어.
Really spicy.
So try it.
Go, my team, too.
Oh, reaction by reaction.
Okay, reaction by reaction. Okay.
Reaction by reaction.
Nick started. Wait.
Wow,
Wow, why do I hit you?
that's really good though.
Okay. But it
Wow,
I know, it's really hot.
wow.
That's
I'm
real good.
really scared.
Oh my god, you guys are crazy. It's even spicy to me.
Okay, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's spicy to me
Yeah.
as well, and I is spicy.
Oh, you feel nothing? Whoa.
Yo, you take a
kidding.
small bite, come on.
Okay. Oh my god, I do.
Show me your tears.
Where's the
Show me
milk?
your tears. Try it.
No, that's too much. Okay, that's spicy.
Martin, don't avoid it. It's your turn. Martin,
Okay.
it's a good experience to you. He's the highlight.
Can you drink after? If I didn't.
No. No worry, bro. You're not gonna die. I swear.
One,
Try.
2.
3, go. Woo!
He's gonna be fucked from this shit. That is
Wait, Maxine, are you okay?
Yo, he's crying. Yo, he's crying. He's crying. What's your, you okay? He's crying.
I just really think you my God.
Goodbye kiss. French style as well.
Let's try one more time.
Can I have
Yeah. 4, 3, 2.
We're not giving
Martin,
torture.
Martin, get a confidence. You're the man. Yes.
He want to see you cry now.
This guy's gonna throw up. Look at
That's the fast, right? Mixed with the spirit.
Let's take an ending.
This is my ending, bro.
It was the grand night in here, and thank you for coming here, guys. Okay. Hey. Shout out to Toronto and shout out to Korea, Thailand. Shout out to Thailand 2024. Yeah, 2024. Shout out to Ecuador.
Edit that. When we're all there, you edit this clip in.
Yeah.
We call it.
Shout out to Hong Kong. Got it. Shout out to France. Shout out to avocado. Shout out to skateboarder. Yeah. Shout out to spice noodle. Fucking border 볶음면. Oh my god, you're so generous.
Come on.
Do Smuckers,
Come on.
Nick.
Go for it.
Okay.
I was about to do something.
I'm
Are you
going to.
serious?
Like this, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, am I even lying? I was literally looking at the name of Smuckers.
One more little scoop
Oh, yeah.
for the win.
Give me a purse. Give me a purse. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Say it.
감사합니다. Shout out. Wait, okay. High five.
다음 주에 봅시다. Oh shit.